Welcome back to another enlightening episode of our channel. Today, we dive deep into the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned philosopher and spiritual guide. Are you ready to unlock the power of your desires and manifest your dreams? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore Neville's concept of the first-class journey to the destination and how you can apply it to your own life. Get ready to embark on a transformational journey. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Have you ever felt a burning desire to be transformed? According to Neville Goddard, all transformation begins with this intense desire. Our spiritual self speaks to us through the language of desire, and it is through this desire that we experience life and understand its true nature. However, many of us have grown up associating shame with desire, leading to the suppression or denial of our true nature. Desire is often seen as something that is selfish or sinful. We are taught to believe that wanting more is a sign of greed or dissatisfaction. But here's the truth: God gives us desires and fulfills them. In the Bible, Psalm 37:4 states, "Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart." So why should we shame ourselves for wanting to be who we truly desire to be? Our desires are already fulfilled by the divine, and it is up to us to accept and embrace them. Neville shares the story of Jesus, who persistently assumed the states he desired. If you haven't experienced wealth and that is what you want, assume, "I am wealthy." If you haven't experienced fame, assume, "I am famous." Don't wait for a hunger to come to you. Take control of your desires and fulfill them. Life is meant to be lived first class, in alignment with how you truly want to live. Now, let's dive deeper into the concept of abiding in your desires. According to 1 Corinthians 7:20, each person is called to remain in the state in which they are called. This means that our desires, which are our callings from God, determine the state to which we are called. We must abide in these desired states, knowing that our desires are already fulfilled. Abiding is not about pretending, but about accepting and enjoying the fulfillment of our desire. Just as easily as we accept and enjoy one desire, we can move into another state and enjoy that as well. We are truly formless, and through our imagination, we give form to our desires. Let's take a moment to reflect on Neville's own first-class journey to his desired destination. When he desired to go to Barbados, his mentor Abdullah told him, "You are in Barbados." Neville then assumed the state of being in Barbados, even though he had no money to go. He persisted in his assumption, and eventually a ticket for a first-class trip to Barbados came his way. Neville's experience teaches us that to desire is to have, and our assumptions have the power to shape our reality. The process of manifesting our desires begins with understanding what we truly want. Neville often emphasized the importance of identifying and clarifying our desires. Without a clear focus, it becomes challenging to manifest our dreams. Take some time to reflect on your deepest desires and be specific about what you want to manifest into your life. Once you have identified your desires, it's time to assume the state of being in that desired reality. This requires unwavering faith and belief in the power of your imagination. Neville believed that imagination is God Himself, and through imagination, we have the ability to shape our reality. When you assume the state of being in your desired reality, you must truly feel and embody the emotions and sensations associated with that reality. Imagine yourself already living the life you desire and immerse yourself in that state of being. It is important to note that simply assuming the state is not enough. You must persist in your assumption, regardless of the external circumstances or opinions of others. Doubt and fear may arise, but it is crucial to maintain unwavering faith in the power of your desire. Neville often emphasized the importance of ignoring the senses and focusing solely on the feeling of the wish fulfilled. By persisting in your assumption, you align yourself with the vibration of your desired reality, attracting the necessary resources and opportunities to manifest it into your physical experience. As you persist in your assumption, you may encounter challenges or setbacks. It is important to view these as opportunities for growth and learning rather than reasons to give up. Neville believed that the external world is a reflection of our internal state, and any resistance or obstacles we face are simply manifestations of our own limiting beliefs and fears. By persisting and remaining faithful to your desired reality, you can overcome these challenges and navigate towards the manifestation of your dreams. Remember, the journey towards manifesting your desires is not just about the end result, but also about the growth and transformation you experience along the way. Embrace each step of the journey and be open to the lessons and insights that come your way. Trust in the process and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. When you believe in the power of your desires and take inspired action, miracles can happen. As we draw near to the end of this enlightening journey, I implore you to fully embrace your deepest desires and transform them into tangible reality. Remember, dear viewer, you are here to effortlessly glide through desired realms, basking in their abundance and embracing them with unwavering belief. Your manifestation journey is a testament to your inner power and resilience, and by courageously manifesting your desires, you become a shining example for others to follow suit. If you found value in this video and were inspired by its transformative message, I kindly ask for a simple yet significant gesture, a thumbs up. By hitting that like button, you show your support for our empowering content and lend us the motivation to continue sharing valuable insights with you. And if you haven't already, I invite you to join our growing community of manifestation enthusiasts by clicking the subscribe button. Stay connected with us on this marvelous journey of divine creation. Now, it's your turn to actively participate in this manifestation revolution. I invite you to share your beautiful thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your thoughts have the power to inspire others, spark intriguing conversations, and create a ripple effect of positivity in our community. Together, we can foster a space where ideas flourish, dreams align, and synchronicities abound. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a heartfelt blessing, straight from the depths of my being. May the divine forces, the universe, and all the guiding spirits shower you with boundless blessings on your manifestation journey. May your manifestations be met with ease, grace, and an abundance beyond measure. May you always be in alignment with your truest desires and find joy in every step you take towards their realization. And remember, dear friend, our paths shall cross again in our next video. Until then, keep nurturing your dreams, embracing your desires, and manifesting a life of profound fulfillment. Your journey is extraordinary, and we are honored to be a part of it.